Good day. This internet broadcast is brought to you by the personal news blog of Michael Medina, www.makemedina.tk, using the text-to-voice technology of abc2mp3.com and youtube.com. For our news this week, the Zamboanga del Sur Police Provincial Office, ZSPPO, joined the nationwide earthquake drill conducted by the Office of the Civil Defense, or OCD, last Wednesday, February 17th. This is in connection with the National Disaster Coordinating Council's 4-point plan of action for disaster preparedness, which mandates the first quarter nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill held inside Camp Bobilan that day and led by OCD. Police Provincial Director Senior Superintendent Ramon Ochotorena said their participation in the activity is in response to PNP directives and pursuant to the pronouncement of President Gloria Arroyo for government offices to be alert always in any event of disaster. The first nationwide earthquake drill last June 20, 2006 was organized after the chief executive mandated that earthquake drills should be conducted on a quarterly basis and further expand the participation of government and private offices and establishments, until such time that will be perfected and people's reaction during and after an earthquake becomes second nature to prevent casualties. Simultaneous nationwide earthquake drills are also conducted in all local government units, private and public schools, as well as private and government entities nationwide. The NDCC 4-point plan of action for disaster preparedness includes the upgrading of emergency and disaster forecasting capability, public information campaign on disaster preparedness, capacity building for local government units particularly in identified vulnerable areas, and mechanisms for government and private sector as partner in relief and rehabilitation. The NDCC has said that among the most common disasters that hit the country, claiming thousands of lives and damaging properties, are typhoons, flooding, storm surges, landslides, volcanic eruptions, lava and mud flows, and earthquakes. While the country has maintained a level of resilience and has developed appropriate response mechanisms to cope with the dangers of natural and human-induced disasters, the country still needs to prepare for climate change impact, the NDCC said. It can be recalled that Pangasinan City was hit by tsunami following a 7.5 intensity earthquake on August 17, 1976, where thousands of people died and millions of properties were damaged. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Log in more news updates next week. For more news and details, you may log in at www.makemedina.tk or email your comments at editor@makemedina.tk.